With the arrival of the iPhone 12 series on 13th of October, many were not even surprised by the news, seeing that most of them had already been exposed in recent leaks. For many, the big star of the event ended up being the iPhone 12 mini, with its 5.4 inch screen being currently the smallest 5G smartphone in the world. With the models in question having been announced, many take the opportunity to take a look at the previous ones, seeing that most of the time we experience a drop in prices. In this comparison, it is possible to see the difference between them to better know what has changed and what remains. First, let's talk about the screen. On the screen, we had a big change, seeing that Apple finally decided to remove the traditional IPS LCD on all phones of the iPhone 12 family using an OLED panel. Although the iPhone 12 mini brings a reduced size when compared to its bigger brothers and also the older ones, it still maintains a decent resolution, surpassing that delivered by the iPhone 11, which has HD Plus panel. Unfortunately, although some rumors have mentioned the possibility of 120Hz panels coming, all models this year maintain the traditional 60Hz refresh rate. The 120Hz display is expected to come next year. Now let's talk about the battery and hardware. Interestingly, the battery capacity of all new iPhone is less. However, they should still deliver similar battery life, seeing that the Apple A14 Bionic chipset is more energy efficient than the last year A13 Bionic, seeing that it is manufactured in a 5nm lithography process. Still talking about processors, according to Apple, its new chipset is capable of delivering up to 50% more performance in CPU and GPU when compared to the iPhone 11 family, which is a remarkable evolution. The big innovation in battery charging is an old one. The MagSafe that you loved on MacBooks is back. This time it's used for wireless charging and it delivers 15 watts of power, up from 7.5 watt for regular QI charge. Also, this uses magnets to grab onto a snap-on wireless charging. Wired charging got faster too. The new model supports up to 20 watts charging. However, you have to buy the charger separately as Apple removed the inbox charger and the headset. You only get a USB-C to Lightning cable that lets you connect the iPhone to your MacBook. Apple presented this as a move to reduce carbon emission, a step on its path to become carbon neutral by 2030. In terms of storage, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max are available in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of internal storage, with other models offering 256GB of internal storage in the maximum configuration. Now let's talk about the camera. We cannot fail to comment on the cameras that despite continuing to bring 12MP across the series for all sensors, have received interesting improvements in terms of software and hardware. The new generation of iPhone is now able to capture raw images, giving photographers and image capture enthusiasts even more possibilities. In addition, the front camera on these new devices now become compatible with Deep Fusion, delivering even more details in photographs taken in low light. Now let's talk about the price. The iPhone 12 mini starts at $699. The iPhone 12 starts at $799. The iPhone 12 Pro starts at $999. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max starts at $1,099. Updates to the iPhone 12 are plentiful, from 5G and a faster A14 Bionic processor to new screen sizes for both the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And if you are into augmented reality, the LiDAR scanner in the iPhone 12 Pro Max should take AR apps to the next level while offering better low-light camera performance. Will all these differences be enough to get us excited? It's a great possibility, especially considering how Apple has been able to keep prices consistent with its outgoing flagships. And it certainly doesn't hurt that Apple has made its new iPhones slimmer and sleeker, despite all those additions. So if you think I have missed something, write it down in the comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.